Yo, what's up guys? My name's John Jarvis. This is my 2016 Mustang EcoBoost. This is a factory shadow black color, and right now we're going to be trying to wrap my rear deck lid matte black to match my nice black emblem. This is a little preview shot of how it looks right now. If you look right here, as you can tell with my dad's right here, his deck lid is nice and matte black. He has a California Special. It's a 2012 Mustang GT, and I'm going to try to replicate that on my car. Okay, so for the beginning of the install, you got to take off this little fabric sound deadening interior piece. It's really easy. It has 9 of these little mini, I don't know what to call them, plastic screws, and 2 rubber grommets. They're really easy. You have 9 right here, and you have 2 right here. All you gotta do is after that, then you just gotta pop it off. Okay, now once you get those 2 pieces popped off, you're gonna have these 2 little plastic pieces right here. You just peel them off real easily. They just come off, exposing the 4 bolts that you need to be able to take off this rear deck lid. Okay, so up here, you're gonna need a 9/32 bit, and you're gonna have to get your wrench up here, and then just unscrew it, like so. Almost there. There we go, that's one down. One more to go. Now we got the other side, so now we're all done. Also make sure to take out this clip right here. Okay, now when you take it out, it's only about, I would say, 4-ish clips right here that are only holding it in. So once you're done with that, then it just pops right out just like this. Now I took out the reverse camera just because I want to be able to wrap inside of here. What is holding it up is a bracket with the camera that is only a 7/32 bit, so if you have that, then you'll be able to take it out really easily. Now if you look right here in the back of the emblem, the only thing holding the pony emblem are these 4 little plastic welds, I guess. People have just said that you can just use a screwdriver and it'll just pop out, so we'll see. Okay, so the next part of this, we have to drill into these little pieces because I found out a screwdriver will not work. So right now I've already done 3 pilot holes into these. I'm about to do a 4th one into here. Now with those pilot holes, we can move on to a bigger drill bit so we can drill these out and so we can pop out the emblem. Okay, now with those out, hopefully it should just pop out. But we always know how these installs go. Just like that, your emblem's out. Okay, next we can tell my deck was a little dirty. We're going to use a little bit of Car Pro Eraser. It's a very nice formula that involves some alcohol to be able to prep the area and to be able to clean the surface. Now just get to wiping. Okay, now that we got the emblem off and that we've cleaned the surface and it's all prepped ready for wrap, now we got to put our wrap on. I bought the matte black vinyl from 3M, and I don't know, I love the quality of 3M. I think the products are great. And yeah, we're going to try to use this and see how it turns out. So one of the most important things about wrapping is that the very center of your object that you're trying to wrap, you should make a nice, good foundation and a nice flat surface on where you want to start off on. Don't worry about the edges because you'll be feathering that out. And make sure not to use too much heat because you don't want to be stretching it, the material, because then when heat is reapplied, this material has a memory and it wants to go back to that memory. So if you try to heat the material too much and then it's exposed to sunlight for too long, it will try to shrink back and it might start peeling up. Okay guys, so I finished everything and I put everything back in, and this is pretty much the finished product. To put everything back in, you just got to put it all in reverse order. I really like the way it looks. I love the way it looks on my dad's car, so that's what I was trying to mimic. My dad has a 2012 California Special GT and I have a Mustang EcoBoost. Please like the video, subscribe, and tell me what you guys want to see in the next video because I might do it.